welcome to this channel. My name is UDEMY, and in this video I'm going to show you how you could source for a logo for free without paying a dime. You don't even have to pay a graphic designer before you can have a logo for your business. The last time I dropped a video on my channel, some people come to my DM that I should do a video on how they can source for a free logo for their data business. So I said, okay, I'll come up with an idea this time around. So this is your girl UDEMY, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please hit on the subscribe button and turn on the notification button so that whenever I drop a video like this, you will be notified. So thank you for watching. Now go to your browser, search for renderforest.com. renderforest.com. Can you see renderforest.com? Just search for it, then you will see a lot of videos there. Okay, now click on start now. If you haven't logged in or registered to this platform, just click on the menu, then you click on sign up. Because I already registered on this platform, that is why I'm not signing up again. So click on start free now, because it is actually free for you to get your logo for your business there. It is always good for a small business owner. If you are not capable of giving a designer money to design your logo, you can just come in and get a free logo, a better one for your business, spending the time. So click on logo and search for your brand name. Maybe you sell kitchen utensils now. Maybe you sell kitchen utensils and you want a logo for your business. So just, let's say it is Precious Kitchen Utensils. Let me just write Precious Kitchen Utensils. Precious Kitchen Utensils. Can you see now? Maybe you sell what's it called? Plates, spoon, forks, and all that. Maybe your brand name, for example, is Precious Kitchen Utensils. Then search for it. It depends on your business name. Let me just use this one as an example. Click on create your logo. So can you see now? You can put a tagline. Maybe you can put I sell kitchen utensils. Or you can just name it Home of Kitchen Utensils. You can name it a Home of Kitchen Utensils. Then the description, you can just say I sell all types of kitchen utensils. Okay, then click on next. Do you want AI to pick for you or you want your own design? I can just click on line style now. You can pick from all these options, they are all for you, but I'm going to click on them all now for you to see the difference. Now let me start with let AI pick for you. After clicking on it, then click on next. Can you see a lot of logo that come out for you? Can you see different types of logo? Can you see it in different forms? Can you see it? It is left for you to choose your choice. So can you see now? You can get about 50 logo for your business name here without paying a dime. It is for free. Can you see now? So let me go back to the second option that we have, which is line style. Click on it, then click on next. Can you see it comes with another dimension? Can you see? So you can just choose from any of these. Can you see? We have a lot of it. So don't bother and don't panic if you don't have a logo for your business. So click on solid. It will bring another dimension of it too. Can you see? So you can just choose any. let me just go for this. So I clicked on one of them. So click on download. So you need to sign into your Gmail, and if you have signed in, you can just click continue on with Gmail with your Google. Then I will select one of my Google accounts here. Click on download again. So he said, do you want it in JPEG or form? So you can just download in JPG format, because we are using a free version of this site. So click on JPG. Can you see it's downloading already? This subscribe to Pro, you can just leave it. Can you see in my notification bar that the logo is already downloaded? So let me click on open now. Can you see the logo? This is what I choose. So you can actually choose your preferred own. So this particular logo now, if it doesn't look beautiful, there is a way you can change the background. But before then, let me just teach you another way to source for it. Maybe it is a text that you want. Maybe it's a text format that you want. So can you see the logo now? If you want to change anything then, so you can change it. If you want to change color, you can change it. If you want to change on background color, you can change it. Can you see background there? If you want to change the background color, you can change it. Can you see now? So let me search for another logo. Let me say I sell data now, and my data name is myonlinevtu.com. myonlinevtu.com. So let me just click on create your logo. Can you see myonlinevtu.com now? So let me put a tagline here. I sell data. Can you see? So the subscription, I can just say I sell, let me say a home for let me just write affordable data subscriptions. So I wrote my onlinevtu.com, that is my website. So I put affordable data subscriptions as the description. So let me click on next. So I'll go for flat now, then click on next. Can you see it brings the logo for me in different formats? Can you see different formats? This is what I want. So you can just search for your business name and it will bring it for you in different formats. So let me just try this one out. So let me click on this alphabetical, click on next. So can you see the different types of logo? So I would like to choose this green one. Let me click on it, then click on download JPG. Can you see it's downloading already? I will just have to hold on for it now. So let me just click on open. Can you see the logo now? It's downloaded on my phone. So let me just go back to the downloaded. Let me go back to the page, then close it now. Now you can change the background color. Just click on it. Then if you want to change the background color, click on background. If you want white background, you click on white background. Do you see now? It depends on how you want it. You can edit it. Can you see I click on the image now? If you want to flip it, you flip it. You understand? Can you see? So I think I will go for this. Then I think I'll go for this, then I'll click on download now, download with JPG, and it will be downloaded on my phone. So if you want to remove the background, you can just go to remove.bg, then you remove your background to your preferred choice. Can you see it is downloaded on my phone? So let me say I want to remove my background now. Let me just go to remove.bg. It is used for background remover. If you don't want the background, then you remove your background. So click on upload. This is the one we downloaded the other time, so I want to remove the background now. Can you see the background is removed already? Then I'll click on download. So thanks for having me. I hope this video helped you in one or two ways. So you can just use this logo to, you can just attach this logo to your graphic design. I have a video that explains how you can design a flyer for your, I have a video that explains on how you can design a flyer for your business, especially for data resellers. I will put it on the description of this video in case you are looking for it, so that you can be able to watch it, then you apply your logo to your design. So thank you very much. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please click on subscribe. Thank you very much. I love you.